Think gardening's a young person's game. Think again. Whether you're 60, 70, or cruising into your 90s, if you can hold a coffee mug, you can hold a trowel. Stick around, because today we're showing how anyone, no matter your age or aches, can keep growing. So hit that subscribe button like it's a stubborn weed, and let's grow through the golden years together. Let's get this straight. Gardening isn't just digging holes and pulling weeds. It's therapy. It's exercise. It's purpose. And after 60, that's exactly what we need more of. Light gardening burns 200 to 400 calories per hour, according to the CDC. It builds mobility, balance, and flexibility, all without a gym membership. It even improves hand strength and coordination, helping with arthritis. Yeah, even if your fingers sound like a box of Rice Krispies. Gardening also reduces stress, anxiety, and depression. That's from the Journal of Health Psychology, 2011. Plus, it boosts your mood through soil microbes that stimulate serotonin. Yes, dirt really can make you happy. Tending plants is kind of like caring for a quiet friend who doesn't interrupt. It gets you outside, interacting with nature and neighbors, not just infomercials and squirrels. And hey, unlike your adult children, plants won't ignore your advice. We're not climbing trees to prune figs anymore, and that's okay. Let's talk smart gardening that works with your body, not against it. Garden smarter, not harder. Raised beds at waist high mean no bending. Your knees will seriously thank you. Vertical planters and trellises save both space and your back. Self-watering containers? One fill lasts days, perfect if you forget or just need a break. Now, for tools that help and don't fight you, ergonomic tools are lighter with easier grips. No more wrist wrestling. Garden kneelers with handles let you kneel, sit, or even do a little wiggle dance halfway. Rolling carts or stools. You get to move like a gardening ninja on wheels. Choose low-maintenance plants like herbs. Think thyme, chives, and mint. They're super forgiving. Try bush beans, lettuce, or cherry tomatoes. They're productive and don't demand drama. And just remember, we're planting a garden, not entering the Hunger Games. Don't have a backyard? No problem. A garden is any space where something grows because you care. A windowsill herb garden in old coffee mugs? Perfect. A balcony jungle of potted tomatoes and flowers? Absolutely. Container gardens on a patio or even in a driveway? Yes, please. Even a single pot of basil can bring joy, scent, flavor, and pride. You're not too old, too late, or too limited. You're just in your next great season. The best time to plant was 20 years ago. The second best time, now. So no matter your age, your yard, or your knees, you can grow something today. Start small, start seeded, start silly. Just start. If you've got a favorite low-effort plant or a gardening tip for fellow 60-plus growers, drop it in the comments below. We're all growing together. And don't forget, hit that like button if your tomatoes are juicier than your gossip. And subscribe for more no-frills gardening that fits your life.